G'day trendsetters, how you going? It's another, should I say another beautiful day here. We've actually had 10 mils of rain. It's overcast and it's cool. Let's hope it stays that way, and summer's gone and autumn's here, with a few April showers in March. Anyhow, what I want to just have a brief update at the moment on the mulberry cuttings, the dwarf mulberry cuttings I took probably about 4 weeks ago now. As you can see, this is where the pot I put them in. They're making some good growth, which is a fair indication that they've actually struck. But also, if you look at the hole, you won't be able to see this, I'll do a close-up, but if you look at the hole underneath here, you can see nice little fresh white root system poking through. So the bigger one of these have actually striked root systems. But there's just these two little ones left, which are just starting to put out little shoots, so that they're probably only just beginning to develop a root system. For that reason, I'll just leave these another couple of weeks, and then I'll knock them out of the pot and pot them up into individual pots. But I just wanted to share that with you because I am quite excited that they've struck so well and struck so quickly, and they're looking good. So here's to a bumper crop. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 definites and 1 maybe. But another thing is, I don't need this many mulberries. So if you live in the local area, like Toowoomba and the Darling Downs, or you come to Toowoomba, I'll be giving these away. So if you want to leave a comment in the comments below and let me know that you'd want one, I'll see what I can do. If I get more than 5 comments, I'll have to do some sort of a draw. But if you're interested, let me know, and we'll see what we can organise. So there you go. That's just short and sweet for today. Pretty marvellous day. I'm happy that it's rained. I'm happy that the mulberries have struck. So everything's going well. If you found this interesting in any way, I'd love it if you subscribe, like the video. That helps YouTube to let everyone else know that we're here. And again, thanks for watching. Cheers.